Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive. Stock number B8786A. 90,000 miles in this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, Blackberry Pearl in color. After our rigorous inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. Rear seats recline for greater comfort. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laredo has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Dual zone temperature control. Automatic transmission. Select Terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface, along with 4 low and lots of storage space in the armrest. Speaking of storage, a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 80% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 8786A to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.